Hello guys, welcome back to Artuino. Today we are going to use the DHT11 sensor module and Arduino to make a temperature and humidity meter. Did you ever come across a situation where you need a thermometer and a thermometer just fails? This is the one that I have in my room, but it doesn't show me the humidity, so I made one with Arduino. For this project, you need Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. And if you have any new projects for me, let me know in the comments below. Thank you.